Hello guys, our week learn how to choose the power inverter. Firstly, I'd like to introduce our inverter. This is 2000 watt, and this is 1000 watt, 3000 watt, and 4000 watt. Firstly, I'd like to introduce the 2000 watt to connect the coffee machine. This is the battery, and connect the battery, then connect to the coffee machine, and turn on the power inverter switch. Okay, the coffee machine turn on the power inverter and connect to the socket. Our port is 1800. Turn on the port and let's drop the water. You can feel the temperature is increasing. Pass the inverter to our microwave. The microwave power is 1180 watts. Firstly, let's turn on the switch and then connect the socket. Okay, now let's turn on the We are professional inverter manufacturer in China. Follow us, you will get more. Thank you.